How to change display name in Battlefield 6. Now in this video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can change your display name on the Battlefield 6 game. So if you go ahead and open up the game, you won't be able to find a direct option for you to change your display name. So what you want to do is to use up your web browser and head into the EA Games official site and then just simply log in into your EA Games account. So once you've successfully logged in, click this option here, which will be visible on your profile picture, and click on Account Settings. From here, your EA ID is actually your display name. For you to be able to change this, just simply click on this edit option, and then EA will provide you a verification code of the email address that you've used to log in into your EA account. Simply click on Send Code and then go back into your Gmail account, logged in, and have that code copied and paste it here. And that's the time that you can edit and change it into the preferred display name that you want. And that's it. That is how you change your display name on Battlefield 6.